Hey guys, welcome to Job Tracker. Today we see about the job notification of Bharat Electronic Limited. Bharat Electronic Limited, a Navaratna company, has required the train engineering 1 and visiting medical officer personnel on temporary basis for its Advanced Defense System Navy SBU, Bangalore complex. Only Indian national need to apply. Before applying, candidates must ensure that the eligibility criteria as per notification. Build requirement 2021 vacancies. For train engineer 1, 8 vacancies. For visiting medical officer VMO, 2 vacancies. Last date for receipt of application is January 22, 2022. Bill requirement 2021 eligibility criteria. Candidates must have completed full-time BE or BTech course from reputed institute or university in the following engineering disciplines: electronics, electronics and communication, ENT, telecommunication. 50% of aggregate marks in all semesters in the indicated qualification for general OBC and EWS candidates, and pass class for SC and PWD candidates. Method of conversion of CGPA to percentage as per university norms should be compulsorily attached, and BAMs or BHMs from a recognized university. Bill requirement 2021 salary package. For trainee engineer 1, 12,000 rupees per year towards insurance premium, attire allowance, stitching charges, footwear allowance, and etc. For visiting medical officer VMO, you will be paid consolidated remuneration of 600 rupees per visit inclusive. All honorarium will be paid on closing of the every month. Bill requirement 2021 age limit. Candidates do not exceeding minimum age limit of 28 years to maximum age limit is 65 years as on 01/12/2021. Upper age limit is relaxable at the discretion of management. The upper age limit will be relaxable for SC candidates by 5 years and for OBC candidates by 3 years. For candidates belonging to PWD category having minimum 40% disability or more will get 10 years of relaxation in addition to the relaxation applicable to the categories. Selection process. Selection will be through interview. Eligible candidates will be called for interview. Selection criteria: 70% of weightage mark will be given for aggregate marks secured in BE or BTech, and 10% of weightage mark will be given for relevant post-qualification experience. In that, 2.5 marks will be allocated for minimum experience stipulated for the post, and 1.25 marks will be allocated for every additional experience of 6 months subject to a maximum of 10 marks, and weightage of 15% mark will be given for interview for shortlisted candidates. Candidates will be shortlisted in the order of merit based on marks obtained as indicated above in the ratio of 1:5. Only those candidates shortlisted will be called for the virtual interview. Application fees. The application fee for trainee engineer 1 is 200 rupees. For PWD and SC categories, there is no application fee. The application fee should be remitted through SBI Collect, through online, or through SBI branch. How to apply? Interested and eligible candidates may send their duly filled in application through post or courier along with SSC or SSLC certificate for proof of age, BAMS or BHMS certificate, registration certification with MCI, experience certificate if any, caste certificate or PWD certificate if belongs to SC, ST, OBC, EWS, PWD, to HR Manager, Bharat Electronics Limited, Ravindranath Tagore Road, Machilipatnam 521001 on or before 22/01/2022.